Papa Flammy's Advent Calendar.
Here.
Good morning, fellow wood magicians. Welcome back to another episode of Papa Flammy's Advent Calendar. And today, in today's episode, it's going to be very special. We are going to bake ourselves a traditional German Weihnachts Stollen by Papa Flammy. It's my own recipe, as always, when I do baking here on this channel, basically, and it's going to be fucking amazing. That is spooky. Maybe you are from Germany, or maybe you have been to Germany once during this season. Then you probably didn't get around hearing about German Christstollen or seeing one. Many mysteries surround this traditional piece of German bakery. For example, where does it come from? Why does it taste so fucking disgusting? And most importantly, why does it look like the illegitimate son of Donald Trump and Andrew Dodson? All of this and even more will be covered today. Next to baking the Stollen in of itself, while I, Papa Flammy, am going to swear like a fucking sailor throughout the whole video. By the way, you fucking son of a bitch, why haven't you checked out stammerch.com, stammerch.eu and my personal Teespring shop yet? Are you out of your mind, you piece of garbage? A lot of great deals going on over there at the moment. Links in the description. And now we are going to dive the fuck in. Now before we can get started with the main scrotum licking dough, we need to make some preparations beforehand. Those ass-sucking preparations include motherfucking cranberries, cock-sucking raisins, and this stuff. And this is what a one-eyed pisshorse drink while traveling the stupid fucking seas. At first we mix together some bitch raisins and horse cranberries for a stupid total of 360 grams. Fucking next we add 200 grams of god-awful sugared oranges and lemons to the raisins. All of these bastards will be ass-fucked by adding a metric fuckton of pirate's urine. Don't forget to thoroughly slap everything together, just like you would slap a disobedient prostitute. Now the only thing easier than the previous step is disappointing your parents once again. So let's raise the difficulty a tiny little bit more and let's go for the ass-fucking elements. 2 grams of effing salt, and 100 horseshit grams of the stuff that is the reason for why your ass is so fucking fat. Some N-word rum and bitter almond aroma. A tad bit of bukkake spices I prepared while creaming your mama, as well as some slut arse, orange and lemon peel. Topping the son of a bitch mix off with 120 grams of almonds and 60 grams of marzipan. We last but not least fatherfuck the hell out of this mixture by adding 100 ml of cow sperm. Now this concludes this piece of shit preparation for today. We are going to let it stand for 24 fucking hours and then we are going to get back tomorrow to wrap up the whole godforsaken Stollen. I'll see you tomorrow then, god damn it. Next day we separated the pirate's diarrhea from the bitch whore raisin using a sieve. And then we begin by preparing the main hemorrhoid infested dough, starting off with about 800 godforsaken grams of flour, 40 grams of stinky oil yeast, and 160 milliliters of Joe's warm titty milk. Next we rape the cheeses out of the yeast by swirling it with the whale cum and a bit of the cocaine look-alike. And lastly, we cover the mix up with the flour just like the US covered up 9/11. Then we take 360 grams of cunt-licking butter and our garbage almonds from yesterday and cream pie our rotten grey ejaculate with it. Now you can watch this piss-stained fucker grow for a bit. After wasting too much time waiting, we fist fight this fuckface until it's turned into a pseudosphere, which is as soft as your dad's fat titty. Last but not least, we let the forehead of Jack's films rest for about 20 minutes in the 30 metric degrees warm oven. After this fuckboy wasted our precious time even more, it is time to show him who's the boss by kicking its ass with our hands. Don't apply too much freaking force though, you ugly human piece of garbage. Otherwise the red nuts will pop and we don't want that. Back to rest for another god-awful 30 minutes, wasting our time again. Gosh, I hate this dick face. Next, we separate those degenerate Siamese twins and punch these ugly urine-stained hillbillies into their proper shape. And after another 20 fucking minutes of waiting, we can fucking finally cut their bellies wide open, oh just like I like it, and then give them the hell at around 200 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 retarded minutes. I hope you are going to die, you ugly motherfucker. Once done, we immediately proceed by applying an obese-making amount of molten butter and an imperial diabetes-inducing fuckton of sugar. Haven't had a heart attack yet? Do not fear, we'll add more cholesterol to the Stollen. Still no diabetes? We've got you covered, with a stupid fucking amount of nose candy. What the fuck, you're still alive? Repeat until your organs stop working. And that's it, fucker. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode of Sugar Daddy's Advent Calendar. Please die of cancer. See ya. I'll see you tomorrow then. God damn it. Oh, i. Helft ihr mir beim Stollenbacken, Akiro? Anton?